Have you ever wondered how China manages to maintain its economic stability despite numerous challenges? It's a question that has puzzled many, especially in the face of adversity on a global scale. Today we're going to delve into this intriguing topic, the resilience of China's economy. We'll be exploring the complex, intertwining factors that continue to uphold this economic powerhouse, even when the odds seem stacked against it. From its political structure to its strategic financial policy making, China's economy exemplifies agility and adaptability in a world that is constantly evolving. Over the next few minutes, we'll be unveiling 15 compelling reasons that explain why China's economy will not collapse. Each reason is a piece of a larger puzzle that, when put together, paints a picture of a nation that is as robust as it is resilient. So, whether you're an economics enthusiast, a keen observer of world affairs, or just someone intrigued by the mysteries of global economies, this journey promises to be a fascinating one. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind China's economic resilience. Starting with the first reason, China's historical inevitability. China, as a nation, has been on an upward trajectory for decades. Chinese President Xi Jinping declared the rise of China as a historical inevitability, emphasizing that the country will not be oppressed by foreign powers. This sense of national destiny is deeply ingrained in the Chinese psyche and has become a powerful motivating force for the country's economic growth and stability. Moving on to the second reason, China's strong nationalist stand. This is not just about politics or ideology, it's also about economics. Nationalism fuels economic growth by encouraging domestic consumption and fostering a sense of collective responsibility towards the nation's economic success. Xi Jinping's strongly nationalist speech during the centennial celebration of the Chinese Communist Party is a prime example of this. He called on the nation's youth to contribute to the rejuvenation of the Chinese nation, thereby fostering a sense of national pride and ownership of the country's economic development. The third reason is the role of the Chinese Communist Party in maintaining stability. The party, founded in 1921, has been a constant fixture through changing circumstances. Despite recent challenges such as the handling of the COVID-19 outbreak and human rights concerns, the party has persevered and even announced its accomplishment of creating a moderately prosperous society. This political stability has been crucial in maintaining economic stability, allowing for long-term planning and implementation of economic policies without the uncertainties that come with frequent changes in government. These are the initial factors behind China's economic resilience, but there's more to it. Let's delve deeper into the reasons behind China's economic strength. Our fourth reason lies in China's hardline foreign policy. China's President Xi Jinping has maintained a strong stance in asserting the country's claims and interests on a global scale. This includes the assertion over Taiwan and the emphasis on social stability in Hong Kong. By standing firm and not allowing foreign countries to bully China, President Xi Jinping has created a great wall of steel that protects the country's economic interests. This hardline foreign policy has helped to ensure the country's economic stability amidst global uncertainties. Moving on to the fifth reason, the contribution of young people to the economy in China cannot be underestimated. President Xi Jinping has called on the youth to contribute to the rejuvenation of the Chinese nation. This call to action has spurred an entire generation to step up and take an active role in shaping the country's economy. Young people in China are now more involved than ever in driving innovation, entrepreneurship, and economic growth. Their energy, creativity, and dedication are key building blocks in China's economic strength. Lastly, let's turn our attention to the sixth reason, the assurance of market stability by top policymakers. China's top financial policymaker, Vice Premier Liu He, has made efforts to restore stability to the stock markets. Despite some skepticism, these assurances on stability, regulatory clarity, and monetary easing have given a much-needed boost to investor sentiment. This has, in turn, helped to shore up China's economy during challenging times. It's clear that the commitment of China's leaders to maintaining market stability plays a significant role in preventing the collapse of the country's economy. These reasons add up to the existing factors, making China's economy stronger. With the combination of a hardline foreign policy, the active contribution of young people, and the assurance of market stability by top policymakers, China's economy continues to stand firm amidst global economic challenges. Next up, we have some more reasons that explain China's economic resilience. Reason number 7 is China's handling of stock market fluctuations. Despite the decline in Chinese stocks last year, top financial policymaker, Vice Premier Liu He, has worked diligently to restore stability. His assurance on regulatory clarity and monetary easing has shown China's commitment to economic stability. While some investors remain skeptical, it's important to acknowledge the efforts made by Chinese officials to mitigate the impact of these fluctuations. Moving on to reason number 8, let's consider China's handling of the COVID-19 outbreak. Despite facing significant challenges, China has managed to maintain stability. The country's leadership has emphasized the importance of social stability, demonstrating an unwavering commitment to safeguarding the country's economic well-being amidst the pandemic. This resilience is a testament to the country's ability to adapt to changing circumstances, further reinforcing its economic strength. Finally, reason number 9, the role of industrial production and retail sales in boosting the economy. Recent reports have shown that retail sales and industrial production have surpassed estimates, indicating a positive trend in China's economic landscape. Key commodities such as aluminum, steel, and crude refining are showing improvement, signaling a tentative stability in the Chinese economy. This is a clear indication of the country's robust economic backbone and its ability to withstand global economic pressures. These factors further reinforce China's economic strength, but there's still more. Continuing our discussion, let's explore more reasons. The 10th reason is the role of key commodities in the Chinese economy. China is a major player in the global commodities market, and this has a significant impact on its economic stability. For instance, the progress in key commodities such as aluminum, steel, and crude refining has been noteworthy. The performance in these sectors not only boosts China's industrial production, but also serves as an indicator of the country's overall economic health. Moving on to the 11th reason, we have Beijing's approach to stimulus measures. Over the past few months, Beijing has rolled out a series of stimulus measures aimed at bolstering the economy. These measures have had a positive effect, with retail sales and industrial production surpassing estimates in August. Even though there's an inclination towards caution due to debt concerns and ideological obstacles, Beijing's targeted approach demonstrates the government's commitment to maintaining economic stability and growth. Finally, the 12th reason is China's handling of debt concerns. Despite the challenges in the property market and the associated debt issues, China has shown a measured approach to dealing with these concerns. Policies that reduced restrictions on home buying initially led to an increase in property purchases, but this gain has since faded. This indicates that China is not solely relying on the property market for growth, but is also exploring other avenues for economic expansion. These reasons add further weight to China's economic resilience, but we're not done yet. Finally, we're down to the last 3 reasons. 13th, let's take a look at China's property market management. Despite ongoing debt issues and lack of demand, China has proven its ability to manage and navigate these issues, showing resilience in its property market. 14th, China's policies to boost home buying have been effective. Even in the face of economic instability, these policies have stimulated the housing market, leading to an increase in property purchases. Lastly, the fading effect of initial gains in property purchases may seem concerning, but it further highlights China's ability to adapt and adjust its strategies according to market fluctuations. So there you have it. These are the 15 reasons why China's economy will not collapse. Despite facing numerous challenges, China seems to have a robust strategy to maintain its economic stability.